to? Abs in 2021.
Hey, cheers to that.
Okay.
God.
Hey girlfriends, good morning. The hair's out, so you know that means we're on vacation. I did miss a day of Vlogmas, but I promise y'all didn't miss anything. It was just me packing and cleaning, and now I'm here, so the party is really going to start. I'm not even going to tell you guys what we're doing today. We're just going to come along for the ride, period. So let's go. Let's get started with the day.
I had the new girl topic. Make sure you tell her only on Saturday. Well, just tell her. Why would you do this? What's up? How are you? Good. How are you? Good. I love your hair. Thank you.
I'm never coming back. I'm just kidding, it was really great, but I'm exhausted.
Yes. Everybody looks tired.
I got ginger, straight ginger.
That's it?
Yeah. She said it's strong, but it's not nasty.
Ginger is disgusting. I got the painkiller, so it's ginger, turmeric, raw honey, and lime. I don't know why I agreed to this. It doesn't smell bad though.
It doesn't. Ginger is, I forgot, ginger is nasty.
Yeah, it is.
I forgot.
I don't even like,
I haven't had ginger in years.
What is that they put on the side of sushi? Is it called wasabi?
Wasabi is the
that
green
ginger?
stuff. The
ginger in it?
other stuff is, there's another,
That's us right here. Maybe not. I think it might be me.
Is that ours? Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Where can we get some straws? Thank you.
Oh, that's good. I should have got a no banana. I don't know why.
Thank you. You don't like banana?
Bananas are just always overtake anything. Like, it's just such a strong flavor.
I already know.
Overfilled mine and they underfilled yours.
Right. I love smoothies with peanut butter, so I already know this is gonna be good.
Okay, you ready?
I'm as ready as I'm ever gonna be. What are we toasting to?
Abs in 2021.
Hey, cheers to that.
Okay.
God.
That was disgusting.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. kind of wanted to taste it, but I shouldn't have.
Why'd you taste it? You just, oh my God, it's lingering. It's a burning.
Hey Curlfriends, we are headed to the Black Hair Experience Traveling Museum. I'm super excited. I think we're gonna get some dope pictures in there. I'm meeting my girl Kate. Probably gonna see some other people we know there, and yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys in there with me, and that's that on that. I'll show y'all my outfit when I get there, and then I'll be obviously posting pictures on my Instagram, so if you want to see the look like really serve y'all, that's where you need to follow me. All right, we'll talk in a minute. I have some.
You look really cute.
You like it?
Yes.
Look at Kate the Great. Shop Kate the Great.
Spaces, just like, you know, some of the other pop-up museums, but we wanted to create something for us.
And this is the first time you guys are doing this, starting in Atlanta.
Yes.
Of course, the Black
We were originally supposed to open in June, but of course COVID delayed everything. Because we actually have some other installations we couldn't bring out. Like we had a ball pit, like, but instead of balls, it was full of rollers. Yeah.
Oh, that would have been so cute.
But just with COVID, just trying to keep things sanitary, it just would not have been possible. It was like thousands of rollers. But we're hoping to be able to come back here.
Oh, yeah, next time you come back.
Yeah.
That's gonna
For sure.
That's awesome. How did you guys find out about us?
Our friend Taylor.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
She used to shoot for my other brand, Hello T, all the time. Yeah, and we brought her in to shoot for this too.
Thanks so much for watching this day of VLOGMAS, Curlfriends, and we will see you in the next one. That is the girls, so, you know, in the background. We're about to get ready to go out, so maybe that will be on tomorrow's VLOGMAS, maybe not. Can't make any promises. I'm about to have a good time. All right, see you in the next one.